For the past 3 years, I give it journaling a shot, and today I'm excited to show what I learned along the way. Let's go. In Brown's book, 7 Strategy for Wealth and Happiness, he explained there are two ways to gathering wisdom. One way is to learn from your own life, the second is to study the life of others. I personally like to use a digital journal. It's because if I write it down on paper, sometimes I cannot read what I wrote down, especially if I'm angry. And the second benefit why I like to use it is I can access on every devices on my iPhone, on my iPad, on my Mac, so I can review anytime. Okay, we are now in Notion, and I give you a quick guide how exactly this Notion template works. Okay, let's start with the basic principles first. This template have three databases. One is like I call like entries or pages, then the mood, and of course the journal itself. I like to separate it. It's like in different like daily journal, morning pages, energy, indecision journal, and victories. I will talk about this later. Right, basically how it works. Normally I go in the morning, I wake up, and then first thing I do, it's like starting journaling. I open my iPad and then I hit this new button and I start journaling. For example, what a nice day. Then if you open the template, you have 5 different templates, which one you can use. It depends on your needs. Let's start with 5-minute journal. So I have at every journal I have like little explanation how it works. Yeah, you have like some simple question. You can write it down, and yeah, at the end of the day, you can see like angry, surprised, or good. You can choose the moods and the journal. I like to put this in daily because it's like 5-minute journal. Yeah. For example, I want to see the victories. I can all see the victories and even have like a gallery view if you had put some pictures in. Yeah, and you have always little description here in this box. You can read it again if you forgot exactly how this journal works. One last thing, you can, if you use Notion already in your system or it's your workspace, you can add this journal to your system as well. I will show you how. For example, let's create project journal. So sometimes we have like projects, we want to write about them down, so you can do it as well. So you have like a documentation as well. So let's say you click on the all, and then you will copy link, and let's assume you have a database like project A. So you just create empty template page and then get new database. We choose all, and then you can play with the filter around. So what I like to do, to set specific date filter, for example, is in between. Sometimes I have like project for 1 month, 2 months, depends on the project length. So you can choose start date 1st September until let's say 24. So, and you will filter all the templates out in the project. what you're currently doing. You can go further and, for example, only the project. And of course, I tried a couple different apps and tools. For example, Apple Notes, Logseq, Day One, and the good old pen and paper framework. And I'm very excited to the announcement from Apple for the Apple journaling, and I will try it as well. What results you can expect of journaling? What I learned so far in the last couple years, that you will recognize some patterns in your thinking, and then you can organize them and prioritize for improvements, or maybe you will completely avoid something, some negative feedback loops. It depends really on your goal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe and like this video, and of course you can write a comment. I'm excited to read them and answer. Okay, see you in the next one.